LPRO stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch the short 1 minute video till the end, find out. Looking at the Open Lending Corporation, 19% up is good. Look, with 19% up, don't forget the fact that we were oh, this is crazy. Starting the freaking let's say like 1.5 months into the year, $6, then we came to 1. That's such a crash. Look at the crash. What is the likelihood that in the nearest future we just keep crashing? By the way, if you ask me, and I'm not trying to be nice, but I'm trying to be kind, for me it's quite high. So only if there's a shift, I'm going to look to further take things down. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Am I going to force anything else? No. No other receipts here, which is fine. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.